Previously on rashoda.makemeovah. Be sure to stay tuned for today's Dollar Tree haul. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashoda and this is rashoda.makemeovah. Hey glam fam, how y'all doing today? Today I am going to show y'all what I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm sorry y'all, I didn't get to put the video out right away. Y'all know I've been sick and under the weather, but I'm feeling better now, and I just wanted to show y'all what I got. And also, if you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing, and joining the glam fam. It's all love over here, and I hope I know you will love it here because we are a family. And if you're already on the glam fam, then welcome back. Hey, so let's get into this Dollar Tree haul, y'all. Okay, so these are the items that I purchased. Thumbnail. And y'all, I really felt like I got a lot of stuff in the store, but I didn't. It's not much. It's a good handful. I tried to do like a full face, like get like a full face. I tried to get like a full face or whatever, but no, I don't think I did. I couldn't find any. Well, of course they don't really have the foundation that I use, and I couldn't find setting powder. I was really hoping they had setting powder. I dropped something. Okay, so let me just show y'all what I got. So dang it, y'all, what is it without me dropping anything? It won't be a video if I don't drop something, right? All right, so like Jesus Christ. Okay, anyways, hopefully nothing else don't fall. All right, so it's so freaking cold in here. All right, so first we're gonna start out with LA Colors, and this is a concealer. It's a concealer, and it is in shade Creamy Beige. Let me see. I've had this before, and if I can recall, I really liked it. Okay, let's see what. Okay, I'm sorry, the phone cut out. Let me show you the consistency of it. Shake it up. Just like that. And I'll rub it in so you can see. See, it's got a little thick, little consistency. It's pretty good though for $1.25. Now you can't beat that. And it blends out pretty good. So I like to use this as a concealer. See, it's pretty full coverage. Look, if you shopping on a budget, go to Dollar Tree. It's the same, girl. Yes, it do, girl. All right, let's see what else we got. We have eyeliner. Look at eyeliner. This is from LA Colors as well. So the main brand for makeup is gonna be LA Colors. I think I just said LA Girl in the store. My bad. It's LA Colors. All right, y'all. So I've had this before too. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to look good. LA Colors for eyeliner. And it's really good because the applicator is very thin, and you'll get a good little wing on there. See? And it's sharp. Look. Very good for $1.25. I love this little eyeliner. I love it. All right, next would be, y'all see on the video, you haven't seen my Dollar Tree shopping video, go check it out. But make sure you watch this video though. Watch this video to the end. So this is a beauty blender, y'all. I try my best to get a beauty blender that wasn't like smushed, only for me to get home and it's smushed. Girl, I was so upset. Let's see if it'll bounce back. It's a wedding makeup blender sponge from B Color. So let's see if we can get it to bounce back. It's so cute. It's a little diamond. I was so sad when I saw it was smushed. I was like, no. My heart just sank. Oh, it's bouncing back a little bit. It's so cute. It's a little diamond. Will you marry me? I promise I would be a good wife. We are locked in together in the glam fam. This is so pretty. Oh, dude. So pretty. All right, next is I've already opened this, y'all. I have ran out of contour. So this is Be Pure, I guess. Be Pure is the brand. And it's Glow Up Contour. And honestly, I thought that it was dark enough, but I feel like it's too light for my complexion to be a contour. So, yeah, it's too light. But this is what, like, I might can use it for foundation. It's light enough. I just feel like it's just too light to be. I think I'm gonna try to use it as a foundation. Try it. But that's what it looks like. And then it got this sponge applicator. So, easy to use. And let me show you how this blends out. Y'all don't mind my sponge. I just did my makeup earlier and I used it. I'm just gonna blend it out. See, I could use this as foundation. I might just do that because your girl is really almost out of foundation until I can get me some more. Because y'all know I love my Maybelline Fit Me Down, okay? So, I gotta get me some more. But we're gonna use that if we run out, okay? Because it's really close to my shade. All right, next I have Be Pure Essentially Ageless Eye and Brow Duo. But I'm gonna mostly use it for like my artwork. If I'm drawing anything on myself. I could use it as liner as well, but mostly gonna be for my artwork though. So let's see how creamy this pencil is. Yes, I love the glide. I can do some with this. Yes. I like it. Okay. Oh, Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. I'm trying to tell y'all. Oh, this is like the favorite thing of them all. I really want to be some lip gloss. A girl cannot go wrong without lip gloss. Now, I know there's got to be some good gloss from LA Colors, and it is lip oil. It said it moisturizes and nourishes lips or hydrates. Yeah, I can believe it. Look at those lips, baby. Juicy. I want my lips to look like that. Okay. All right, let's see. I hope it smells good. Let's see. Oh, wait. She looking good too. A little cute little thing. I wanted to, oh, this is dragon fruit. The dragon fruit. I cannot say fruit, y'all. I'm just a country can be. It smells like It has a fruity smell, but not strong. I got some gloss on already. Let's see if it turns it up a notch. Y'all see it, y'all see it. It's oily. It's got like an oily feel. Ooh, I love it. I love it, I love it. Yes, I love it, baby. Look at it. Yeah, them lips back looking juicy. I love it. I love me some lip oils, lip glosses. You cannot go wrong. And always keep one in the purse. Just in case, you know. You never know. You never know. You might need to whip out some lip gloss. Y'all, is that it? That's it. Oh, and I forgot I got these lashes too. And I also got some, and I put them up on the screen because I threw it in a box. So I did open them on the live, but I'll insert it on the screen. And then I got these bottom lashes as well. So you can tell well, I'll put them back, but yeah, I did use them on my live as well. So I like these a lot, and then I like the lashes a lot as well. So I'll insert it on the screen. And I got some nails, and I'll also insert it on the screen. Y'all, the only thing, those nails were very thin, so they broke. They would break really easy, so I no longer have them. Well, some of them. And then I think I only gave me like 13 nails. I don't know what I did with the box. I'm sorry. But yeah. Jesus, they're gone. They're gone. I'm gonna show them how they looked on the screen as well. But yeah, that was like 3 things I was missing. Dang. So y'all, wasn't really much. I feel like I was like shopping, baby. Like, just put it in the bag. Golly, that went by so fast. So to show y'all what we got, let's do a recap. So we got some LA Color liquid makeup. I'm gonna use it for concealer. We have the Glow Up Contour by Be Pure. And I'm set as it's not dark enough for contour, so I'm gonna use it as foundation backup if I need be. Then of course we got the lip oil I just tried out from LA Colors, and it is in Dragon Fruit, a lip oil. We also have LA Colors liquid eyeliner shade Black, and very, very good thin line. It'll give you a sharp, precise line. Then I have the white eyeliner that I'm going to use for my artwork that I draw on myself. And no last but not least, let's not forget our beautiful diamond. So we can't forget this. So this is all we got from the Dollar Tree, y'all. Of course, I dropped something. What did I drop? Oh, the liquid eyeliner. So, this. Okay, so this is all I got from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, if someone is not serving you well, tell them what to go where. To the left, to the left. Remember, you are special and you hold a special place in my heart. I love you guys. Bye.